Hi Susan, thanks very much for your question with regards your Beko oven. Firstly, let me apologise for my location. I'm actually away on a busman's holiday at the moment and I'm answering emails remotely as I get them for customers. And rather than trying to type up everything, I'm actually doing video responses for people. We will put a web page together for you on your oven, going through the specific problem that you have, and I'll also put additional videos, workshop manual, which will really assist you in repairing your oven with regards any fault, and also the wiring diagrams. And I'll also put exploded diagrams of all the components in the oven with links to any components that you might need. Now, you've said that your oven is making a rattling sound as soon as you turn the main oven on. This is normally something to do with the fan motor on the cooker. Now, the fan motor is at the back of the cooker, but you need to remove the fan guard in the oven to gain access to it. Now, if you're exceedingly lucky, the nut that holds the fan blade to the fan motor shaft may have become loose. If this is the case, all you're going to need to do is tighten it up. Do remember that it is opposite thread to normal because of the way the motor rotates. This means that you actually have to undo it to tighten it up. If it's not loose, you might even have a fan blade that's slightly distorted due to the fact that you may have been cleaning the oven. A lot of people clean ovens with caustic materials, and sometimes this can corrode the fan blade. Also, you might have a problem with the bearings on the fan motor. They may have worn. If this is the case, you're going to need to replace the fan motor. Now, this workshop manual that I'm putting in the description for you, there'll be a link to a page, will show you not only how to remove the fan guard and tighten the fan blade, but it will also show you how to actually replace the fan motor if needed. There's also other information in the workshop manual to show you how to replace things like grill element, fan oven element, base element, selector switches, timer, etc, etc. And I will put a full playlist for you on all the Beko repairs that I've done on the ovens. I've done over 20 different videos on Beko ovens explaining how to diagnose problems, change components like base elements, fan oven elements, fan motors, etc, etc. So all the information will be on this page for you, and the link is in the description. I hope this helps you. I hope you manage to get your cooker working again. Do remember, if you do need further assistance, I can take up to 48 hours to respond to people because I am up in the mountains at the moment and I'm working remotely. I'm actually out for a motorbike ride today and I've been down this beautiful gorge which is spectacular, one of the greatest roads I've ever ridden on. And I'll quickly just pick up the camera for you to show you the whole of this gorge. And there you go, you have a car coming up, and up here you have all the mountain range which you can see, and it's absolutely spectacular. It's one of the greatest roads I've ever ridden on. If you're ever in northern Spain, you will find a full feature video on this on my YouTube channel. Occasionally I do make other things rather than just fixing appliances. But I do warn you, if you come up this road, there are some areas which are up to 25% incline. So do be careful. But it is a stunning piece of construction with the road, but it's also one of the most scenic places that I've been to. I hope you managed to fix your cooker. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. I'm going to be up here for another 3-4 days until the weather passes in Barcelona, and then I'm heading straight down to do some filming on how selector switches are made. Thanks very much for your question. Good luck with your repair.